guys, the Butcher's Block here again, and today I have an attempt at Lotto Lock Tuesday, and the lock I have is this Master Lockout Takeout lock. I think it's a 401. The key says 400B. So I got this lock from the marvelous Mr. Alex Who. I've not gotten to this guy as of yet. He gave me a lovely mummified key. Cheers, mate. Well, there you go. That's the bedding. Yeah, nasty bedding there. And the keyway. I really am not good at master locks or Lotto locks, so I'm not sure what this keyway is. Someone with a bit of knowledge, please feel free to put it down in the comments. Alright. And once again, as I want to do, I'm trying a new camera angle. So, oh jeez. Hope it's not, hope it works out alright. Okay. So I'm going to use a southward steep hook. Nice open keyway and a pry bar in, I think this one's 40 thousandths, either 30 or 40 thousandths, one of the two. Yeah. And away we go. Using medium tension on this guy. I think it's got serrateds in there. So we don't want to overset those. Oh, so a little click on one. So I'm going to treat this like an American lock, and how Bosnian Bill described that, dealing with the serrateds in those. So one click, then check the rest of the guys, and then come back to them. Right. 3, a little click, felt like a spool. Nothing on 4, nothing on 5, back to 1. Another little click on 1, he feels like it's serrated. 2, swingy. That was number 4, and we'll turn on the call. Right, back to the front. Alright, he might be set. Alright, drop something, click on 2. Okay, 3's binding, but drop something, oh sorry, that's 4. Drop something trying to set him. We'll click on 5, he feels like a serrated. 4. 3, 2, nothing. Lovely click on 1. Nice click on 2. I think there was a little bit of core movement. Oh, howdy do. Nice bit of core movement, and that was, I think, 4. Alright, let's assess. Alright, down the back is binding tightly. Let's see if everyone else is good before we go muffin with him. 1 is binding. Or is he set? He might be set. It's real tight. All right, excuse me. Let's go from the front. Nothing on 1, 2, 3. Now let's loosen up on the tension just a little bit. So I just need to replace my tension wrench. Make sure it doesn't slip. Alright, let's have a feel around. Alright, there was a click on 2. I do feel I'm pretty close. Right, let's go for the SSDev steep hook. Come on. Oops, sorry about that. 1 is good. 2 is good. Oh no, I overset him. I think it might be one hiding right behind the tensioner. Just give him a little zip to try and loosen any overset guys. I don't want to force counter rotation on 1 because I really think, oh boy, excuse me. I really think he's serrated. Okay, come on, get this done. That felt really nice. Number 1 feels set. All right. Oh, I made number 5 springy. So that means I definitely overset 1. Deep false set. Huzzah! How's that? Woo! I am stoked with that. Man. Alright. Let's lock him back up so I don't make a rattle out of it. I think. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh boy. What's going on here? Oh, key retaining. Alright. Let's check out this mummified key. Oh, there we go. Oh, ho, 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 look at that. Alright. That is craziness. For a master lock, Jesus. Wow. Just wow. Alright. Well, yeah, super stoked with that. And that is all I have for tonight. Cheers, guys. Hooroo. Boop.